Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Now, those of you who've been here before will know who I am and know what the channel is all about. All of you new guys, well, this is a bit of an odd vlog compared to what I normally do, although I do like to do the odd chat in my garden bar, le pub, le shed. So anywho, it has been recommended to me not to do this type of vlog, a personal vlog like just us talking, simply because the majority of you guys don't know who I am. Well, I am Terry. And obviously my subscribers know who I am. But I just thought I'd come on, just explain why I haven't been doing a vlog every day like I normally do. And quite simply, it is because the weather is pants. It is absolutely rubbish here in the UK at the moment. I hate winter. I hate winter with an absolute passion. There's nothing good about winter. What's good about winter? It's cold. It's wet. It sometimes snows, which then turns all icy and is horrible. And again, cold and wet. The days are too short. When I finish work, it's pitch black outside, so I can't take you guys anywhere with the camera. Yeah, I hate winter. Come on, spring, hurry up. But first off, I would like to thank all you guys for hitting that subscribe button. We've managed to hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. We've managed to hit the 4,000 watch hours required. And guess what? I am now a YouTube partner. So yes, we've done it. We've finally made it. We've finally accomplished our first major goal for the channel. The first goal was hitting 100 subscribers, and then 500 subscribers, then 1,000, and then monetization. So for complete transparency, I will now be paid from YouTube. Not a lot at first, but yeah, see how things go. So that is the first update. That is why I haven't been doing as many vlogs as normal. It's simply because it's winter. Wah, wah, wah. Horrible weather, horrible mud. Just everything is horrible in winter. Did I say I hate winter? Have I said that yet? I think I have. A few times. I still hate it. Anywho, coming up on the channel this year. So it is January 2023 now. So, what have we got planned? We've got lots of Beamish things planned, so every time something new happens at Beamish, I will, of course, take you along. Beamish is the open-air museum here in the northeast of England, and it is a living museum. Have a look back through some of my videos if you haven't seen them before. Just search for Beamish. It's a cool place. Also, we are going to go to Alton Towers, the opening day. Didn't want that to happen, did we? Also, we're going to go to Alton Towers on March the 16th, which is the opening day for the 2023 season. So, yeah, me and Tristan will be there. And hopefully throughout the season, as we have Mardi Gras, what's the other one? Oktoberfest, Halloween. As all those different seasons progress, we shall go to Alton Towers and check them out. Not so sure if we're going to do the actual proper full-on Halloween as in the houses this year. We've done them for the last 2 years running and nothing changed in them. In fact, they got worse. So, yeah. Unless there's some major changes on the Halloween lineup, we won't be going to Thorpe Park and Alton Towers, unfortunately. Because it's basically a waste of money because, yeah, nothing new. And coming up in April, we are going to Thailand. So we're going to spend, I think it's 16 days in Thailand, flying from Newcastle Airport to Dubai, then from Dubai to Bangkok via Emirates, driving from Bangkok to Pattaya, where we're staying with Emma's dad for a few weeks. So yeah, that will be good, and I will vlog every single day. I will show something new in Thailand every single day that I'm there. I'm taking a laptop, so I should be able to use Gordon's, that's Emma's dad, Gordon's internet and be able to upload. I'm not sure the time difference because obviously they're 6 hours ahead of us in the UK and America is 6 hours behind us, or 7 hours some places. So, yeah. God knows when you get to see those videos, but they will be uploaded daily. Then in October, we are going to stay with Chris Goforth from the Chris Goforth channel and his wife Debbie. She's the real star. Anywho, we're staying at their house in San Antonio, Texas. So again, 2 weeks of showing you everything we can see in Texas. And I wasn't quite sure how big Texas was. Oh my God. When I'm looking at places, I'm going, oh look, the Colorado River runs right through San Antonio. The Colorado River also goes through the Grand Canyon. Shall we go? No. It's like a full day to drive it one way, man. Unbelievable. Anywho, everything's so far spread out. It's far everywhere. Yeah, spread far out. Yes. Not sure what I'm doing with my hands, but I keep doing it. So we will show you San Antonio. Hopefully show you Austin. Not sure about Dallas. The only time we go to Dallas, I think, is when we fly into Dallas-Fort Worth on the way home. So we're going London Heathrow to Chicago, from Chicago to San Antonio. Then away home, we're going San Antonio, Dallas-Fort Worth, and Fort Worth across to Heathrow. So that is the two sort of in and out journeys that we're doing. And I don't think we're going to spend any time in Dallas. Maybe not. Not so sure. But we will be going to Six Flags, and it will be Halloween season when we go. So we'll do the Six Flags. I think it's Howler Scream, or is that SeaWorld? Not quite sure. But we will be going to SeaWorld as well and doing the Halloween things there. So we'll be doing both of the theme parks in the local area. We will also be doing all the cowboy things. Because you've got to do cowboy things in Texas. It's like the law. Yeah. So there you go. That is the two big trips that we've got coming up. Obviously, there's going to be lots of France and Belgium trips as well throughout the air, dotted around. And the stealth camper van, or camper bus, le bus. So lots of good things coming up on the channel. So I really just wanted to jump on here tonight to have a one-to-one vlog with you. Let you know why I haven't been on, which is the crappy weather, basically. And what we've got expected coming up on the channel that is definitely planned. Now, do me a favour, if it's the first time you've been here and those things sound good to you, so San Antonio, Thailand, Texas, Six Flags, SeaWorld, Alton Towers, possibly Thorpe Park, Beamish Museum, drone footages, stealth camper van. If any of that stuff kind of appeals to you, hit like and hit subscribe right now and join the TerryTracker Club, because we are growing. Every day we are growing, and I'm hoping that this thing becomes massive. Anywho, that is enough waffle from me tonight. So I shall hopefully see you all tomorrow. Maybe not though, don't hold me to that. Now it's time to do your job.